All right, I just opened up my last FabFitFun box. I'm actually recording this in my garage because it's the quietest place right now during bedtime routine. So sorry if you hear noises from the rest of the house. But yes, this box is so cute. I really do love fall time, cool days, warm nights, stay cozy, and I guess I can scan the QR code if I wanted to. But yes, I already, this one came separately, the earrings that I got, so I did commit to those. Definitely not the best quality ever, but they are super cute, and we'll see if I wear them or if I give them away, and I have actually a nice box to package them in if I do give them away, so it's not just in a plastic bag. All right, so I think I got a few home items here, and I'll go from there. Ooh, there's one of these samples of these. I've heard about these groons, and they apparently have a lot of the superfoods. I've actually been meaning to try these. Not that I necessarily want to shell out the money for them, so this is actually a really nice sample to see. So I appreciate that. Thank you for the last box. I don't know if there's some sort of deal here, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, and then some of the easy things to grab here. There's so many coupons that it likes to come with. This is an SPF. Actually, I still have a number of SPFs to work through, so I think this is going to bring me probably into next year. I try to wear SPF every day, but still I buy enough where I don't need it. But this is actually a chemical physical one, so it's both zinc oxide and a chemical sunscreen there. So went ahead and grabbed this because I knew it would be useful to me, and it says expires in 2029, so that's awesome because I've gotten stuff that are very close or even past expiration from these boxes. This is a threader earring that I got from this box as well. This is from the brand, I can't read it. It says Love AJ on it. So just the silver ones. I do love threader ones, and this kind of has like a seashell type of motif to it. So that's cute. I have a few friends who also enjoy threaders. So I think that this will be something either for myself or to pass on. I actually do not have silver threaders, so these are kind of a good option for me. Okay, and then I think this must be the oil dispenser. I think I'll be passing this on to my parents. They don't have a dedicated oil dispenser. And I think this is like that brown tortoise shell. Ooh, this is such nice quality. Wish I took this out before I picked up my phone. That one-handed filming life. There we go. Hopefully it's sturdy enough, but that's kind of the tortoise shell. Oh, that is such a nice, it's like a nice weight to it too. So definitely not for my house since I have little kids, but definitely something I will pass on to a place that could use it. And let's see if I can open up this box one-handed. Looks like it's possible. Ooh. I think it was like a salad bowl. I'm not sure why it's jingling though. That's weird to me, but let's see what condition it's in. Ooh. Oh, that does not look good. That looks cracked. Crap. And this, it's not like I handled this very roughly. Yeah, it looks cracked, you guys. That's not good. Okay, I will try to handle this with care. I'm glad I had this on video. I mean, like, I was actually gone for a week, so I had a neighbor pick this up for me. But I think he's pretty careful with stuff. So I might chalk this down to, like, delivery. And that sucks. I'm going to have to tell FABFITFUN about that. But yeah, it has, like... So I'm going to put my phone down so I can actually take it out. But that doesn't sound good. You don't think the insert comes out, per se? Oh, it might. But yeah, it looks very clearly cracked and not usable, so that's not cool. Oh, there it is. Let's I can open it with that down. Yeah, it's making noises it shouldn't be making. That's for sure. It doesn't look salvageable. Like maybe. Yeah, you guys see that? That's bad. Should have known with, you know, you can see the piece in there that's that's broken. Yeah, that's not good condition. So I will see if we can get some sort of refund or something with this. Just want to make sure I don't crack or do anything. That's the main piece. I mean, maybe something I can like salvage for like a display piece, but definitely not something I could use for food. I'd feel really uncomfortable with that. So that's a bummer to see. I was looking forward to maybe gifting this or using it as some sort of nice serving bowl, but not this time. So, yep, got, you know, 3, 4 usable pieces, got some gummies, but that's kind of a bummer for the last box to show up like this. And that's the risk you take, you know, with, especially with delivering these, type of porcelain ceramic items, especially large pieces. So I have, oh, there's some pieces in the box as well, if you can see that. So, yep, I'll see what how FabFitFun responds, but I mean, in some ways it's like, okay, this is definitely, you know, tells me it is time to move on, because I would much rather shop local at a store where I could kind of keep these items safe on their way home. And that's, yeah, this is just something I can't really, just be careful if you do order from FabFitFun in the future, with these pieces. So hopefully everybody else's pieces are okay. I'll do due diligence for mine, just to make sure that I can maybe have either a resend or I'll be able to pick out something different. But we'll see what FabFitFun says. So I'll update you guys on that one. I do have one, but so maybe not my last FabFitFun video. Just yeah, just kind of an unfortunate one. But I have a few things that I can kind of start out with and enjoy for the meantime, and we'll go from there. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.